Hey, that be great. Big up yourself. Hey, that be great. I'm working hard. Hey, the rest be stamp.
Hey, Insta blog Niger. Send this letter to your people for me, yeah. Me, I just speak my mind. I know insult.
My new baby girl. My M3. This is my sports car. That's right. Mad. Ghana. We go to talk. Talk plenty. I think my car. I will buy another car. I will go my mansion. People say no be plating. You understand me? Nobody go fish away anything. Forget them. When boys they talk, then they feel say because they be boys, so they don't know who they talk to. This be man. One more cloud. Where am I?
If the old pass for small.
I know, but if the old pass for small, at least. Nobody say you could come about the way you know they have anything, cry. Go small. Understand me? So like at least when they know the old pass, we don't want bragging things. Hold small, something small. Like you go hold like VW or something. If you start anything, God go do them. My manager is the best manager of the year. A new house. My new house. Ow. Ow. Yo, man gotta hustle, man. Hustle hard. Don't hate. Don't hate. You don't have to hate. You don't have to like. Hate and make. You want to make. Don't go out. My English secondary. Forget. Show them now. Yeah. Home sweet home. Home. Why here? Very weird. Hello. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. You do the videos. That's it, good. Come and see how these guys are. I don't like it at all. You look like you're didn't look come on, this one in a minute. Let me get past that one. Go.
Like this guy. I'm not making business kind. I don't think you used to do back at when I can go down, like, we'll come back to you get what I get that.
Yeah. You really listen to the music that a lot. Go on. Yeah, I love my shower. What are they? Wash yourself now. I will give you money. They want to be for what is so bad. This thing too. Yo, Flossy.
If I talk for you, don't go the verse. Okay. Say why Flossy the talk. But I see this house. Yo, this is what I'm saying. Show me this Flossy lifestyle. Julio, make I show you who the cut is.
Niggas stop bragging, man. It's not good, man, you know. Don't say you got it so you don't get them. Shout out to OBO. That's it. Hey, OBO. Mama, no.
Lifestyle. Who born you by mistake? No. Cause them.
So many.
It just will cause them to live our lifestyle. $1 million. Hey, that will great. Big up yourself. Hey, that will great. You large. Hey, that boy, you bad. Hey, the rest be sankwas.
I swear.
Stop talk.
Forget it.
Yeah, man. Stop talk.
Pussy wool niggas.
Listen now. Listen.
Them all kind of afraid of. But I mean them a search for her. Them here come. Tell them. Listen, we're not afraid of no idiot. Boy. The violate and them copper shots. Hear them. Yeah, listen. Yo, my artillery them. Hear them. Yo. And a Niger got nothing. We tell them.
Swim. What's there?
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, matter. Hello, baby.
Gospel.
That's my heart. Just trying to see what I'm gonna do right here. I got some stones down here. Some good food. I like this. My beauty guys did before. Hello, I'll let you come out. You come out. That's my POP guys. POP. You know what POP means? Pack your own things and go home and pack. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I can't compare myself too much money. Too much money has too much money that keeping too much more than me. Look at $1 for people who the things from here are packed there. The things from the and then
We do for now. You know you have this big issue. This house will be costing like.
I will really polish my. Me like yeah. Hello, give me the airway. Come for the Google. Yeah, you rush. Hey.
Yo man,
That's a big man. Big man. That's a superstar. You know they do music, you know they do movie by the superstar.
Hey.
Ah, you like
Mata. You like Mata? You like Mata? Look at. I will see what's going on. Oh, your eye. Abolo make Apollo catch my wife. Hey, Bolo Sebi, you make. Big man. Say, what's the banana? Big man, say grandma. Grandma. Say grandma. Go hug grandma. Hug.
That's my grandma. Grandson.
Say hi, snappers.
What's the banana? This one
It's childproof and how. Does Majesty
Hi, mommy.
Hi, Junior. Yeah.
That's my sweet mom.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because trouble that I have. Love you. Abeku kabekero.
Abeku, my mom says you like it. Hag. Look like they go marry no plenty shinap or something.
The bison and don't so pass so me and no pay. As a 1 pesico on where to be an hour fair. As a name could have been money now, no say ya not here. As a 1 Ethiopia will get the brown woman.